The Moonside MagLight isn't just a power bank, it's a cool LED light for your videos and photos too. But is it worth it for video creators? Now you might be thinking, another MagSafe battery? Really? But hear me out, this one has some interesting tricks up its sleeve, especially for video creators. So what exactly is the MagLight Creator Kit? Well, at its core, it's a MagSafe compatible power bank. That means it snaps magnetically onto the back of your iPhone or any phone with a MagSafe case, charging your devices wirelessly. It also comes with stick-on adapters for older phones, so no one feels left out. But here's one extra feature here that a lot of video creators don't realize they really need until it's too late because you didn't bring it out in your kit bag. But with this device, you already have it with you. Because the real magic happens when you fire up the built-in LED light panel. This thing has 67 individually controllable RGB LEDs. That's a mouthful, but basically it means you have tons of control over the color, intensity, and even patterns of the light it produces. We're talking solid colors, pulsing effects, and you can even program it yourself. And here's where there's even extra value, because we aren't just talking about the hardware, there's software that really shines too. In this app, you can do lots of things like control the output power and intensity of the light after pairing with your device over Bluetooth, and even remotely over Wi-Fi. So you can do things like automating its operation through location triggers, time and countdown triggers, and even setting it up as a sleep or wake up light, as well as other features too. But yet again, there's another feature you won't realize you need until it's too late. But yet again, you already have this built-in lighting lifesaver with you if you have this device. There's a second set of lights on the underside of the MagLight, perfect for illuminating your face when you flip the phone around. Now this wouldn't be a proper Tech Packer review without talking about the Creator Kit itself. Besides the MagLight, you get some handy accessories. First, there's the MagPod. This clever little adapter lets you mount the MagLight, your phone, or both onto any standard tripod thread. You can even use it with the included mini tripod for tabletop shooting. However, I did find that the shape and size of the MagPod could limit how compatible it would be with different phones and MagSafe cases. I also felt like the magnet needed to be more intense. It didn't feel quite strong enough for me. Then there's MagFlip. This is a versatile tabletop stand. Use it to prop up your phone, the MagLight, or attach both for some creative lighting angles. It's particularly handy for shooting close-ups of products, food, or even miniature models if that's your thing. There's also this silicone band here too. Now you could be forgiven for thinking this is a hair tie, which would be incredibly useless for me. But there is another far smarter reason it's included in the Creator Kit. The MagLight can be used as a fill light, but when used with the phone, the light might bleed into the lens. But this is actually a silicone focusing accessory that helps limit that light bleed and keeps the light focused forwards. And when filming, that light looks great. So, is this the ultimate lighting solution for video creators? Let's break it down. On the pro side, we have portability. This thing is small and lightweight, perfect for taking on the go. It's also versatile. The combination of power bank and adjustable LED lights is a game changer, especially for run and gun shooting. You also get quite a lot of creative control. With all these customizable LEDs, you can really dial in the look that you want to for your videos. It's easy to use. The MagSafe attachment and the intuitive app make it a breeze to set up and operate. But here are some things you might want to think about before you make your decision to buy. First, the price. The Creator Kit is probably a little bit on the pricey side. You can get the standalone MagLight, however, for a good value price, but you miss out on those accessories. Let's talk about battery life. While it does double duty as a power bank, the 4000 mAh battery capacity is relatively small compared to dedicated power banks. You can expect to get about 80% charge on an iPhone 14, for example. My constructive criticism here is that the Creative Kit needs to include a better carry case for all the items. It's also really hard for me to see the power and mode button when the light is on. Some contrast here would help my old eyes out. Now overall, the Moonside MagLight Creator Kit is a cool tool for video creators who prioritize portability and creative lighting options. If you're constantly on the move and need a reliable way to add a touch of professional lighting to your videos, this could be a game changer for you. However, if you're primarily looking for a high capacity power bank, then the MagSafe light alone doubling as a power bank is a great compromise if you use the lighting capability. Because for a MagSafe battery alone, there are probably better options for you out there. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Moonside MagLight. Is it something that you would add to your video creation kit? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This one right here.